To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're going to take 1 3/4 cups of butter. Or, if you're like me and not sure what that means, it'll be about 3.5 sticks. Then, we're going to go ahead and add 1 3/4 cups of sugar. Or, 1 cup of sugar plus 12 tablespoons. Then we're going to mix our butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Next, toss in 2 cups of powdered sugar. I tend to make a mess when we do this, so let's do this 1 cup at a time. Take your trusty spatula and scrape down the sides. Next, add 2 1/4 cups of flour. Again, we're going to go ahead and use a spoon because that would be a mess. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs. Now you can do this one at a time, or you can just go ahead and plop them all in together. Your preference. And then we're going to go ahead and finish off with our flour. And going back to our trusty spatula, we're going to go ahead and scrape down the sides once again. And once that's mixed, we're going to go ahead and add 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. Again, that's about 12 tablespoons. And to finish our batter, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of chopped walnuts. And we're going to go ahead and let that mix up. And then we're going to bring back our spatula sidekick and scrape down all the cake batter so it's easier to pour. Next, take your lightly buttered pan and scoop your mixture all throughout. Now today we're using a Bundt pan. It's a Bundt pan to give it that traditional tunnel of fudge cake look. Now that our batter is in the pan, let's go ahead and bake our cake for a straight 50 minutes. And while that's baking, let's go ahead and start our chocolate glaze. So we're going to go ahead and add 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. Again, that's 12 tablespoons. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 5 teaspoons of heavy cream just to start. And then just go ahead and give it a nice whisk. Now using an electric mixer, we're going to slowly add more milk or heavy cream until our chocolate glaze gets to the right mixture that we want. Today, I think we'll make our glaze so it drools off the ends of the cake. So we're going to go ahead and add some more milk and get it nice and creamy. And there's our chocolate glaze. And with our cake baked, we want to go ahead and leave it in the pan and let it cool for an hour. After the hour, we want to take the cake out of the pan. Invert it, and let the cake cool for another 2 hours. Now if you're impatient, like I am, you can put your cake into the fridge, but be sure to wrap it. Now after your cake is cooled, we can go ahead and get ready to decorate. You just want to add the glaze in a circular motion and let it just drizzle down the sides. Then we can go ahead and sprinkle our walnuts for decoration. I think we'll use the whole cup. Who doesn't like nuts, right? And there we have it, our tunnel of fudge chocolate cake. Enjoy!